Hi friends, this is Ankit. If you are an Adobe Stock contributor, then most of you received this email most recently, which is offering you upfront payment for your photos on Adobe Stock. Upfront payment means that they will offer you the payment for your photo before it sells, and in this case, it is $5 for each photo. So as soon as email received, some of my friends got confused what is it and should we go for it or not, and they messaged me on Instagram. So let's discuss this topic. Maximum of you guys have already read this email and some of you understood it what it is saying and some of you don't. So let me explain it in easy language. So guys, the thing is that Adobe Stock shortlisted some of your photos for their free collection, and to take your photos in Adobe Stock's free collection, Adobe Stock will pay you $5 for each photo before it sells, and in the next 1 year or 12 months the photo will not earn for you anything else. It not means that your all shortlisted photo will get $5 each, but you first nominate your photos, then Adobe Stock will review it. After review, Adobe Stock will select some photos, and for those photos only, Adobe Stock will pay you $5. Then after it, that photo will shown in Adobe Stock's free collection. Maybe it's Adobe Stock's business plan or some promotion kind of thing. But anyways, you will get $5 for each photo, and that's it for 1 year. Should we nominate our photos for free collection or not? Then it depends on you guys. Watch this video more and then only take your decision. Many of you got some sales on Adobe Stock and you know very well that the earning or the royalty is very high than Shutterstock. If you average your all the earnings, then it comes around $1.5 for each photo, which is quite good, quite higher than Shutterstock. Now think about it. $1.5 royalty for each photo. It means that 4 to 5 sales will give you $5 easily, and it is for 1 year, and they are offering you $5 for your photo for next 12 months. So in 12 months, will you only sell 4 to 5 times your photo? Okay, now you have two options. Option number 1, nominate your asset for free collection and earn $5 for each, and after it, no any more earning in the next 12 months. Option number 2 is keep your photos in your portfolio as it is and wait for selling it in the next 12 months. Then my suggestion for you guys is that if you think that your photo will sell more than 5 times in a year, then obviously you shouldn't nominate your photo for free collection because it will give you only $5 for 12 months. Keep it in mind, 12 months. It is not a short time period, guys. I believe that most of your photos will sell more than 5 times in the next upcoming 12 months. Then there are also some random clicks or some photos from oversaturated domain. About them you think they will not sell very good, then surely you should go for it and nominate your photos for free assets. Take your $5 and forget your photo for next 12 months. Now let's get away from theoretical things. Have a look on my portfolio. I will show you how many photos are eligible for free assets and how much I am nominating. So it is my Adobe Stock dashboard. It's clearly written nominate your assets by June 23rd. Okay, see, they told me you have 21 eligible assets for free collection, which can give you $105. Very impressive amount. They will pay you $5 for each. I already told you. So guys, have a look. These are the photos in my portfolio which are eligible for free assets. You can pause the video and explore them properly. Total 21 assets recommended for nomination. So in these 21 eligible photos, I will select only one. Only one photo I think should go for free. Let's take a look on that. So guys, I nominated this photo for free collection. Smartphone holding in hand, mockup isolated. So I have nominated this photo. But why? See, if you go to any stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock or any else, then when you search for this kind of photo like a smartphone mockup holding in hand isolated, then you will get many photos on this topic. Literally many, very much. This domain is very saturated. This kind of stuff is in very high quantity on all the stock sites. So that is the fact. In these kind of saturated topics, there is very less probability that your photo will sold and it gives you earning more than $5 in a year. So keeping that thing in my mind, I will nominate it for free, take $5 and go away for the next 12 months. So that's it. I have only selected this photo for nominating. Rest of the photos I will keep them as it is in my portfolio and wait for 12 months for their sales. So that's it guys. Finally my suggestion is that you should not excite seeing the money they are offering you and take decisions wisely. In case of most photos, you should not go for nomination. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and got some information. So please subscribe the channel and like the video to help us out. See you guys in next video. Till then, keep watching Stock Photography with AJ.